Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing great and staying productive. Welcome back to another lesson in our series. In today's video, we are going to explore a very useful and practical skill, how to convert a PDF file into a Word document completely free of cost. This is something that many people struggle with, especially when they don't have access to premium software. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to do it easily, step by step. In our previous video, we discussed how to edit a PDF file online, and if you haven't watched that yet, the link is available in the description. I highly recommend checking it out because it connects directly with what we are going to learn today. So, stay with us till the end, follow along carefully, and let's dive straight into our topic, converting PDF files to Word documents in the simplest way possible. Here we have a PDF file named PDF to Word Converter. Let's open it and take a look inside. This PDF file contains text written in multiple paragraphs, and now we are going to convert it into an editable Word document. Once it is converted, you will be able to make changes to the text, adjust formatting, and use it just like any other Word file. Now, let's open Google Chrome so that we can access an online website for converting our PDF file into a Word document. Using Chrome makes it simple and convenient to reach these free websites directly from the browser. Now, type free PDF to Word Converter into the search bar. You will see a list of different websites that offer this service. From these options, select the website named I Love PDF, as it provides a simple and reliable way to convert your PDF files into editable Word documents. Now, click on the Select PDF Filer to choose the PDF document you want to convert. Our PDF file is saved on the desktop and is named PDF to Word Converter. To proceed, we will select this file here and then click Open to upload it. Once uploaded, we will be ready to convert it into an editable Word document. Now that our PDF file is uploaded, the next step is to click on Convert to Word. This will start the conversion process and transform our PDF into an editable Word document. The conversion has been completed, and now it's time to download the Word document. Now, click on Download Word to save the converted document to your computer. Now, let's go to the Downloads folder on our PC and open the Word file we just downloaded. This will allow us to review the contents and ensure that all the text and formatting from the original PDF have been successfully converted. Click on Enable Editing at the top of the Word document. This step is important because, until you enable editing, the document will remain in a protected mode, and you won't be able to make any changes or updates to the content. Once editing is enabled, you can freely make changes to the document, modify the text, adjust formatting, and use it just like any other Word file. Now, we will open the original PDF file so that we can compare it with the converted Word document. This allows us to check that all the text, paragraphs, and formatting have been accurately preserved during the conversion process. As you can observe, the converted Word document accurately reflects the content of the original PDF, with all the information preserved correctly. So, as we have seen, converting a PDF file to a Word document is simple and straightforward. The converted file retains all the original content, allowing you to edit and work with it just like any regular Word document. In the previous video, we discussed how to edit PDF files online, and the link to that video is in the description. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Be sure to practice these steps, and stay tuned for our next lesson where we will explore more useful tips and tricks.